Happy Sunday, guys. We are going to the beach with Kai and Lisa.
I can't wait to see this beach.
And we're here with Ralph too, finally. People have been asking about you.
I'm here. I'm in every one of your videos.
No, everydo's asking about you.
Yeah,
Where's Ralph?
I read the comments. Everyone keeps saying, where's Ralph? I'm thinking, where is Ralph?
So we're in Nusa Dua.
I like that.
This is what I like, you see? It's the actual Caribbean beach that I'm looking for. That's why I like coming here. So let's just find a
They
place.
do have a volleyball court.
They do?
But it's not for random people.
A volleyball.
Oh, I see.
You see, yes, this is what I'm talking about. You see the color?
Yeah, very nice.
This is why I like coming here.
Where you can actually
I'm so happy when I see the color of the ocean like this. It reminds me of Miami Beach or Haiti. Yay! What I like to do on Sundays is come to the beach and just hang out with my friends. You guys know already what we're gonna do.
I had a bad
swim
experience.
and play games. Look at this color, man. And the wave break. So there's an area here where it breaks, so you can actually swim here. I feel like in a lot of the beaches here in Bali, you can't swim because it's made for surfing. And this is where you can swim calmly, enjoy your time. Yeah. But once you're in, it feels great. Guys, come to Nusa Dua.
I get really scared to go right this that way. No, I have to be on my feet. I can swim, but I'm not a very strong swimmer. Bon appetit.
Merci. You too.
That looks so cool.
Sauce tomate.
Yeah.
Ready for games?
Yes! I have to win though.
So who's winning? Who's winning?
I am.
1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, you need 10 points to win the game.
Okay.
Yes. Then do it for
We're playing
high probability of rolling.
Yeah.
The
Let's
red
see
ones
who's the winner.
have the highest probability of rolling. The 8
Between
and the
this crew.
6s. The 3 is not a good probability, as you can see by the amount of dots it has. Everybody.
Why are you doing this?
I need something from there.
Don't take what I need. No! No! I've been waiting for my turn because
You
I wanted
can trade
to
it
play
back to her if
that.
she really wants it, then
No,
see what she'll pay to get it back.
You're so mean.
It's okay.
That's it. I'm done with this game.
Yeah.
I've had enough.
It's been an hour.
Okay.
Yeah.
Once
I'm in the
everybody
lead.
knows how to play, it's like 40 minutes.
Ralph actually looks 2, 4, 5, 6. Plus, I think there's a victory point. So 7.
Anybody has a wheat?
No, nobody wants to week with you.
We should.
We decided to stop at 8 points, but
need to
so
explain.
Ralph won because of 8 points. However,
No need to
I was at
explain.
9 points if I was gonna put my.
Now you're being tough.
That makes you
Victory
sound like
point.
a bad loser.
Ralph, we let you win.
We
Let's
just want
put
to
it
go
this
to the
way.
beach now. We want to
Yeah.
swim. That's why. But
That's why.
I have to drop something, and the king is obviously higher than the queen
yes.
Yep.
in the numbers.
Yep.
Better actually in your case.
In the UK, the queen is.
Well, I think I know what you have next. Oh, thank you.
Oh my God.
No.
Kai was gonna get my cut.
No, he doesn't have 8.
Dang. Your turn.
My turn. Well,
Let
I
her
can't pick
king come
anything
out.
up.
No.
So.
You have to drop it.
Put it down.
Oh, okay.
Stop it, Ralph.
I will.
Okay.
And then what happened? Are you done? Oh no.
Finally picked up one.
Okay, so deal.
Now you can deal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Now 4 for everybody again.
Yeah.
We're back at it again, guys. Casino. Let's see
It's a
if
shame we didn't have the money.
I can win over Ralph
Hey,
again.
you
You guys
need
remember
a
what happened
note to
last
distract-
time? 8.
Yeah,
9.
I see what you mean. I was thinking we have to add up all of this.
No.
That would be a lot of adding.
just
Like
count.
10, 9.
No.
Kai is the winner.
20.
Whoa.
Well, if Kai wins,
What happened,
I
Ralph?
win.
I lost.
What happened?
He won.
Okay.
That's what happened.
Well, if Kai's win is my win, and then my win is my win.
How many did you have?
This is when like
16.
women say, my money is my money, but
Yeah.
your money is our money.
Yeah.
Where's the...
High five. Yeah.
Wow. Good afternoon, guys. Today's Saturday and I'm getting ready to go to my friend Rose's birthday. Rose is someone that I met last year. She invited me to her husband's big birthday party and I met a lot of friends there too as well. And she's been just this person who's very helpful. Like if you ever need anything, she is just there. She like knows a lot of things and she's always willing to help. So such a good person. So she's having a little bit of a birthday party here at beach club. So me and my friends are gonna go and celebrate her. I feel like as I'm getting ready, let me talk to you guys because it's been a while since we caught up and tell you guys a little bit of what's been going on. As we're talking about friends, I gotta say I got some messages from people a while ago. A lot of people were asking me if it was easy to make friends in Bali, and I feel like it is, but it may take some time because it's different. I feel like because there's more people here in Bali, you have to put yourself out there and go to like little places, events, and kind of mingle. You gotta kind of network and mingle, and then you'll find your tribe. And then yeah, you'll make friends. I haven't updated you guys too much about the house, but I will in the next video because I wanted to keep this video fun. I want to show you guys some things that I do for fun in Bali if you guys are coming to visit as well. So by the way, I didn't tell you guys, this is an all-white party and we're having it at this really cool beach club called The View. I've been there one time. It's really nice, but I haven't been in a long time. Okay, so this is the dress that I'm wearing. It's like this really cute style. Got it online when I was in the States. So I like those little TikTok stuff that I've seen. People just show you and then put it on. So I want to see if I can do that, right? Oh, I like it. It's really nice. It's really cute. It's like it's a pool party at a beach club. So I bought my bathing suit. I really like this bathing suit, guys, that I just got. This is the bathing suit that I'm bringing. I really love this. The color is so cute and it has this really nice v-neck and there's wiring under, so it feels really nice when you wear it. And it comes with this little sarong that you can put around you, which I think is so convenient. I love that. And it's such a cute piece. Love this. Now I feel like I'm just missing a purse. Look at this. Now I feel like the outfit is put together. Look at that. And I feel very feminine right now. It's because the dress is flowy and I feel like I could dance salsa in it, you know, like, hey. I love that, you know, that's very me. My sandals are downstairs, so I'll get that on my way out. And then I need to get my jean jacket because it's really hot outside. And when I'm riding with my bike, I need to have a jacket on, so. Yeah, this is really cute. All right, so anyway, I'm gonna finish getting ready and I'll see you guys at the party.
Yeah, no escaping from my mind, but low key. You know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby. The things you feel do with that body. Yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. Yeah, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing.
Hello guys, we are at a gaming cafe. Ralph, me, and Boss are here just to play some games on a Sunday. You guys can see all the fun things that there is to do here in Bali, so I thought I would show you. You can come here, pick a game, get on the table, and play. Let me show you guys. There's even a cool couch here. Also some books.
My favorite, the best game ever. Do you agree?
Yes, yes. Yes, we're really happy.
Do you guys like Catan? Because I feel like that's a game that once we started playing, Ralph and I got really into it. It's kind of fun. So we're playing Monopoly. I haven't played Monopoly in so long.
What do I like about it?
No way.
Strategy. I still like Catan more, but I like Monopoly. But this is not the real Monopoly.
Oh yeah, what is
It's like
it?
the Mario Kart version.
So we got the Monopoly, but this is a Canggu edition. So let's see, they have Finn's Beach Club.
Oh, okay. So Finn's Beach Club is the most expensive one.
I see.
400K.
And then what's this?
What's that?
One
La Brisa?
oh it's A. La Brisa, Perinan Beach, the Lawn. I need to go to the Lawn. Have we been there?
haven't been?
Have we been?
I
don't
have
think so.
not been
I still
either.
haven't been to Finn's Beach Club. I still haven't been there.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Who's gonna win?
Who? I don't know. This is not something I can brag about just yet. Let me get good at it first.
So show me the pieces.
Well, this is the influencers. The guys in the gym, the calisthenics guy, the gym, the surfers, and I guess that's Ubud.
What?
The flower and
Oh, like spiritual?
yeah.
So you have fitness, influencer, spiritual, surfers. Bali in one pocket.
Yeah.
Hungry to eat out, too dressed up to stay in. I guess I'll call and ask around to see if someone's
Wait, pick up the chest. What does it say?
I gotta go to Perobukan jail.
Rob just rolled a 3. 1, 2. Jail. You have been to jail how many times? 3 times. My God.
I went to visit a friend once.
Alright. You get all my properties.
me and mine, we take what we want. We are the colors, and the middle is no way. We are the
I'm the winner.
we are the highway, and we ain't got nothing to lose.
The boys are going to play basketball, but Ralph has a spot that he wants to show us, which is the best place he says to watch the sunset. So we're at Discovery Mall currently. This camera is not gonna do it justice, but it looks so nice. Say hi, bud.